The right automatic litter box can make cat care easier by reducing the time and effort needed for daily cleaning. The Litter Robot 4 and PetSafe ScoopFree are two popular options. But they use different cleaning systems and offer different features and maintenance requirements. The first major difference is how each litter box cleans itself. The Litter Robot 4 uses a rotating drum that automatically cycles after your cat leaves, separating waste from clean litter. The waste is then deposited into a sealed drawer. In comparison, the PetSafe ScoopFree uses an automatic rake system that moves across the litter tray and pushes waste into a covered compartment. It also has a smaller, more compact footprint, making it easier to fit into spaces where a larger automated litter box may not be practical. The Litter Robot 4 is designed to work with clumping litter, allowing it to separate urine clumps and solid waste from the clean litter. This also means you can continue using the clumping litter that your cat already prefers, as long as it is compatible with the unit. The PetSafe ScoopFree is primarily designed to use crystal litter, which absorbs urine and helps control odors. This means your choice may depend on which type of litter you and your cat prefer. The Litter Robot 4 has a sealed waste drawer that helps contain odors, while its carbon filter provides additional odor control. In contrast, the PetSafe ScoopFree relies on its crystal litter to absorb urine and reduce unpleasant smells, while the covered waste compartment helps keep collected waste contained. The Litter Robot 4 has a large, enclosed waste drawer that can hold several days of waste, depending on the number of cats using it. Its spacious drawer means you may not need to empty it as frequently, which can make everyday litter box maintenance more convenient. The PetSafe ScoopFree also stores waste in a covered compartment. But its capacity and maintenance schedule can vary depending on the model and the number of cats in your home. If you have more than one cat, the Litter Robot the 4th may be the more convenient option. Its design is intended to handle frequent use, and the automatic cleaning cycle helps keep the litter bed fresh throughout the day. PetSafe ScoopFree models can also work for multiple cats, but the litter tray and crystal litter may need more frequent attention in a busy multi-cat household. The Litter Robot 4 offers more advanced smart features. With the compatible Whisker app, you can monitor litter box activity, track usage, receive notifications, and check waste levels remotely. These features can make it easier to keep track of your cat's bathroom habits and know when the unit needs attention. PetSafe ScoopFree models focus more on automatic cleaning and basic convenience, although some versions may include additional monitoring features. This makes the ScoopFree a better fit for owners who want straightforward automation without relying as heavily on connected technology. The Litter Robot 4 has a higher upfront purchase price, but you can use your preferred compatible clumping litter, which may be more economical over time. Its reusable design also means you are not dependent on replacing an entire litter tray after each use. PetSafe ScoopFree models are generally less expensive to purchase initially, but ongoing costs for crystal litter and replacement trays can add up depending on how frequently they need to be replaced. The PetSafe ScoopFree has a more traditional rectangular litter tray with an open-top design, making it look more familiar to cats and owners who prefer conventional litter boxes. Its straightforward shape also makes it easy to recognize as a standard litter box, while providing the added convenience of automatic waste removal. The Litter Robot 4 features a distinctive enclosed, vertical design with a rotating globe, giving it a more modern appearance. Its enclosed structure also helps keep the litter area more contained, making it a practical option for owners who want a sleek design combined with automated cleaning. The Litter Robot 4 provides a spacious enclosed rotating chamber that many cats can comfortably use. Its roomy interior gives cats enough space to enter, turn around, and use the litter area without feeling overly restricted. In comparison, PetSafe ScoopFree models have a more open litter tray design, which may appeal to cats that prefer a familiar, traditional litter box setup. The open layout can also make the box feel less enclosed and easier for some cats to approach. The Litter Robot 4 is designed to operate quietly during its automatic cleaning cycle, which can make it less disruptive in your home. The PetSafe ScoopFree also operates automatically, but its motorized rake creates a different type of sound as it moves across the litter tray. For cats that are sensitive to unfamiliar noises, the sound produced by each cleaning system may be worth considering. The Litter Robot 4 enclosed structure helps keep more litter contained inside the unit, although some litter may still be carried out on your cat paws. Its design can help create a tidier litter area by keeping the litter bed more contained during your cat movements. The PetSafe ScoopFree open tray allows more direct access to the litter, causing some litter to scatter onto the floor. Its open design can also make loose litter more noticeable around the surrounding area during regular use. Overall, the Litter Robot 4 proves to be the better choice for its advanced automation, smart features, spacious design, and convenient waste management.